We're in Oakhurst, Texas. This is a new construction. We bought this property back in 22. There was nothing here. It was fully wooded. Put the building up. Today we're going to be installing an inverter-driven 3-ton heat pump and a multi-position air handler unit, CV. The heat pumps are very, very dependable. Very dependable unit. It draws less power, so when you're running at a very low speed, it's not pulling a bunch of power like a single stage unit would. Here in Texas, electric bills here are very high. This unit is constantly removing moisture out of the air, so it makes it more comfortable in the home. They're a lot easier to work on, especially for the service person. Time is the biggest thing. You can't have a guy tied up for 3 or 4 hours when you got 8 other people there without AC. The easier that you can work on the unit, the faster you can get out of there and get to the next person. It's better for the company and it's better for the customer. They're not taking up all their day. So that was a huge thing for us. Everybody knows LG, and they make refrigerators, TVs. So approaching a customer, LG, they'll be like, oh yeah, I know who LG is. I'm excited about the installation. I just think it was the perfect fit for this place.